In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a PDF in Squarespace. If you need to share a brochure, a menu, or a downloadable form, linking a PDF is quick and keeps your site looking clean and professional. I'll walk you through the exact steps and add a few tips to make sure everything works smoothly the first time. Start by opening the page and text block where you want the link to live. Click into the text area so you see the editing toolbar, then highlight the exact words you want visitors to click. Something clear, like download the PDF or view our brochure, helps people understand what they'll get. Keeping the link text specific also improves accessibility and trust. With the text highlighted, click the link icon in the text toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain link. This opens the link editor. At first, you'll see the field commonly used for pasting a website address. That's fine. This is simply where all link options live. Next, look for the option labeled URL in the link window. Click it to view the available link types. This is where Squarespace groups different kinds of destinations like web addresses, pages, and files. We're not pasting a web address today, we're going to attach a document. Now switch to the file option. Choosing file tells Squarespace you want the link to point to a document instead of a web page. When you select file, you'll see the option to upload a document from your computer or pick one you've already uploaded to your site's file library. Select your PDF. If it's on your device, upload it and wait for the upload to finish. If it's already in your library, choose it from the list. Squarespace will automatically attach the file to your highlighted text and generate the correct destination behind the scenes. Confirm the change in the link window, then save or apply your edits to the text block and the page. From now on, when someone clicks that text, their browser will open the PDF in a new tab or download it, depending on their settings. For the best visitor experience, keep your PDF name simple and descriptive before you upload it, and make sure the file size is reasonable so it loads quickly. Clear link text, a tidy file name, and these built-in Squarespace options are all you need to share documents confidently. That's it. You've linked a PDF in Squarespace. Thanks for watching and happy building.